Morning. Real quick video on these weather shields. I ordered several to test them, and I think this is the best one that I found. If you live in an area where you get a lot of storms, or you get beach, we get hurricanes, or for us, so I like to keep a camera up here in our field. We watch the wildlife and see what's going on up here. I have irrigation, so I have water pouring down on this. So this weather shield, let me show it to you. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. This will work on any camera. The only thing you need to be careful about is if you have a Blink camera and it's down low, let's say it's like this level, you're gonna have to raise that thing up because Blink cameras have such a wide angle view, you'll get a lot of that roof in there. If you have a Blink camera up high, so you'd have to, let me show you. If your Blink camera is low, you'd have to put your Blink like right about maybe here, okay? But if your Blink camera points down, then you can move it up and really tuck it up under this thing. This is plastic. There are 3 holes, so I put a screw here, and then I just drill through the plastic. I put 2 screws here, and it's really sturdy. I did try some metal ones. The only thing about the metal ones is in the rain, they're really narrow and I don't like them as much, and they make a lot of noise when you pull it up. If it's raining, it's clank, 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 clank. These are a little bit better. So what I'm doing is I'm installing, this is for a Reolink camera. I'll put a link to this camera if you want to get the camera. It's my favorite camera from Reolink. It's actually one of the older models, but it's so simple and it's inexpensive. So solar panel, I'm going to connect that into the camera, and it's batteries and it's Wi-Fi based. I have an extended Wi-Fi mesh network out here, so these are all Wi-Fi. So if I want to watch the wildlife, watch the deer, I can. They also make a cellular. I have a cellular one at our main gate, and I have a cellular one at the beach house, and then I have Wi-Fi's at the beach house as well too. Plus I have Blink systems. I've done a ton of videos on those, but this thing will work for all of it. So you get a lot of rain, you get a lot of dew. Again, if it's a lower camera, you're going to have to drop it down. You'll have to experiment. Just put 1 screw in your Blink. If it's up high and the camera's pointing down, you can move it up a little bit more. So just experiment with them. But these things are great. I've started ordering. I think I've got about 6 of these out now in areas that I know. The other thing is down at the beach house, squirrels sit on top of my Blink cameras all the time, and the camera goes like this. So this, they'll squirrel, you can put your Blink under it. The squirrel will actually sit on top of this, and birds will sit on top of this, but they won't sit on your camera, which is really nice. The other tip I'll give you is if you have a lot of spider webs, I always carry a bottle of permethrin, and before I put my camera up, where's my bottle? So I always have a bottle of permethrin, and I will treat this wood, and I'll treat the undershield with permethrin. And then probably 3 or 4 times a year, I'll cover up my camera lens and spray it. I've got spider eggs all inside that camera I got to clean out because I haven't been treating this. So all I'm going to do, get you some permethrin, use it on everything. Oops. Just got to treat this really well. So if any spiders come up in here, they're gonna be dead. All right, so that one's all set. Let me show you the setup here. Let me move the ladder a little closer so I don't bust my butt. There she is. So camera, top, solar panel, perfect. So when the rain is blowing down here, I could move this up a little bit more, but I'm kind of pushing it at that point. This camera does have, depending on which mount you use, it does have an Allen wrench to tighten it, and then I have the antenna, so I'm not going to push it too much. But yeah, it works perfect. You get a big thunderstorm and you'll be the only one with a camera that works.